Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we have brought to you mock test number 6 for Food Corporation of India based on entomology syllabus. So we'll try to come up with more test series for FCI as per syllabus related to agriculture. So stay connected with us and subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming mock tests. Now let's start today's mock test. Question number 1. Excess of malic acid in gram brings resistance against. The options are Heliothrix armigera, Helicoverpa armigera, Spodoptera luteira or gram cutworm. The correct answer is option B, Helicoverpa armigera. So excess of malic acid in gram brings resistance against Helicoverpa armigera. Question number 2. Pore canals present in the insect exocuticle helps in the deposition of. The options are endocuticle, epicuticle, exocuticle or none of these. The correct answer is option B, epicuticle. So pore canals present in the insect exocuticle helps in the deposition of epicuticle. Question number 3. The azadirachtin is present in seeds and leaves of neem and varies from dash mg per kernel. The options are 5 mg per kernel, 2 to 4 mg per kernel, 8 to 10 mg per kernel or 0.5 mg per kernel. The correct answer is option B, 2 to 4 mg per kernel. So the azadirachtin is present in seeds and leaves of neem and varies from 2 to 4 mg per kernel. Question number 4. Apical sclerite of labium is known as. The options are submentum, mentum, prementum or ligula. The correct answer is option C, prementum. So apical sclerite of labium is known as prementum, whereas the large basal sclerite of labium is known as submentum and the middle sclerite of labium is known as mentum. Question number 5. Claspers are the pair of proleg present on dash abdominal segment. The options are first, second, sixth or last. The correct answer is option D, last. So claspers are the pair of proleg present on last abdominal segment. Question number 6. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The options are all pests are insects, all insects are not pest, pest may be insect, virus, fungi, etc. or all pests are not insects. The correct answer is option A, all pests are insects. So this statement is incorrect, whereas the correct statements are all insects are not pest, pest may be insect, virus, fungi, etc. and all pests are not insects. Question number 7. The function of insect thorax is. The options are locomotion, respiration, reproduction or both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B, which is locomotion and respiration. So the function of insect thorax is locomotion and respiration, whereas the function of insect abdomen is reproduction. Question number 8. Second segment of insect antenna is. The options are scape, trochanter, coxa or pedicel. The correct answer is option D, pedicel. So the second segment of insect antenna is pedicel, whereas the first segment of insect antenna is scape. Question number 9. Incomplete metamorphosis in insect egg, nymph, adult is also called as dash. The options are direct metamorphosis, gradual metamorphosis, hemimetamorphosis or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. So incomplete metamorphosis in insects is also called as all the three, which is direct metamorphosis, gradual metamorphosis and hemimetamorphosis. Question number 10. An active first instar of insects that undergo hypermetamorphosis is called. The options are triangulin, pedicle, caterpillar or telson. The correct answer is option A, triangulin. So an active first instar of insects that undergo hypermetamorphosis is called triangulin. Question number 11. Main excretory product of insects is dash. The options are urea, ammonia, uric acid or none of these. The correct answer is option C, uric acid. So main excretory product of insects is uric acid. Question number 12. Insect blood sugar is known as. The options are glucose, trehalose, sucrose, or polysaccharide. The correct answer is option B, trehalose. So insect blood sugar is known as trehalose. Question number 13. The circulatory system of insect is dash type. The options are open, close, semi-open, or none of these. The correct answer is option A, open. So circulatory system of insect is open type. Question number 14. Mode of action of spinosad is. The options are blocks nicotinic acetylcholine receptor, affect gamma aminobutyric acid receptor, both A and B, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. So mode of action of spinosad is both, blocks the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor, and it also affects the gamma aminobutyric acid receptor. So let's know more about spinosad. Spinosad is derived from the aerobic fermentation of the actinomycete Saccharopolyspora spinosa, a bacterial organism isolated from soil. Question number 15. Which of these insecticides is derived from actinomycetes? The options are Nereis toxin, Dimilin, plumbago, or spinosad. The correct answer is option D, spinosad. So spinosad is the insecticide which is derived from actinomycetes. Spinosad is derived from actinomycete Saccharopolyspora spinosa. Moving on to the next question. Widely used acaricide against mite is dash. The options are DDVP, sulfur, kelthane or dicophol, or monocrotophos. The correct answer is option C, kelthane or dicophol. So widely used acaricide against mite is kelthane or dicophol. Question number 17. Insecticide of plant origin is or are dash. The options are nicotine, achuk, pyrethrum, or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. So insecticide of plant origin are all the three, which is nicotine, achuk, and pyrethrum. Nicotine is derived from tobacco, achuk is derived from neem, and pyrethrum is derived from chrysanthemum flower petals. Question number 18. Which of the insecticides belongs to organophosphate group? The options are monocrotophos, carbaryl, endosulfan, or kelthane. The correct answer is option A, monocrotophos. So monocrotophos is the insecticide which belongs to organophosphate group. Carbaryl belongs to carbamate group. Endosulfan belongs to organochlorine group, whereas kelthane also belongs to organochlorine group. Question number 19. Neem referred as dash. The options are IGR, anticholinesterase inhibitor, GABA activator, or none of these. The correct answer is option A, IGR. So neem is referred as insect growth regulator, or IGR. Question number 20. Damaging stage of mustard sawfly is dash. The options are adult, grub, maggot, or larvae and adult. The correct answer is option B, grub. So damaging stage of mustard sawfly is grub. Question number 21. Chlorinated insecticides are dash. The options are stomach poison, contact poison, systemic poison, or stomach plus contact poison. The correct answer is option D, stomach plus contact poison. So chlorinated insecticides are stomach plus contact poison. Example of chlorinated insecticides are DDT, quinolphos, aledrin, heptachlor, endosulfan, etc. Question number 22. Most notorious pest of wheat is. The options are cutworm, termite, thrips, or aphids. The correct answer is option B, termite. So most notorious pest of wheat is termite. Question number 23. In mustard, early sowing is recommended for escape from damage due to dash. The options are sawfly, aphid, flea beetle, painted bug. The correct answer is option B, aphid. So in mustard, early sowing is recommended for escape from damage due to aphid. Question number 24. Aluminium phosphide is widely used in fumigating grains, flour, and cereal in godowns. Available in market with trade name dash. The options are Psychosil, Selphos, Elcar, or Thimet. The correct answer is option B, Selphos. So aluminium phosphide is widely used in fumigating grains, flours and cereals in go down, available in market with the trade name of Selphos. The next question is aluminium phosphide is available in market in dash form. The options are gaseous, liquid, powder or pellets or tablet. The correct answer is option D, pellets or tablet. So aluminium phosphide is available in market in pellets or tablet form. Question number 26. In coconut, stem or root injection technique is used for management of the dash. The options are rhinoceros beetle, red palm weevil, BHC or mite. The correct answer is option B, red palm weevil. So in coconut, the stem or root injection technique is used for the management of the red palm weevil. Question number 27. Royal jelly is produced by dash to feed the queen bee. The options are workers, queen, drones or sterile male. The correct answer is option A, workers. So royal jelly is produced by workers to feed the queen bee. Question number 28. India is the monopoly in the production of. The options are mulberry silk, muga silk, eri silk or tussar silk. The correct answer is option B, muga silk. So India is the monopoly in the production of muga silk. Question number 29. Chemically silk thread are dash. The options are carbohydrate, protein, fat or vitamin. The correct answer is option B, protein. So chemically silk thread are protein. So silk is made up of two primary proteins, a fibrous protein known as fibroin and a sticky protein known as sericin, with the two comprising 70 to 80% and 20 to 30% of silk respectively. Question number 30. The chief producer of lac are dash. The options are male, female, egg or none of these. The correct answer is option A, female. So the chief producer of lac are female. Question number 31. Lac is usually marketed as dash. The options are brood lac, stick lac, seed lac or shellac. The correct answer is option D, shellac. So lac is usually marketed as shellac. The next question is, dash is used to control all types of insects irrespective of its feeding habits. The options are systemic poison, stomach poison, contact poison or fumigants. The correct answer is option D, fumigants. So fumigants is used to control all types of insects irrespective of its feeding habits. Question number 33. Tobacco is the main source of nicotine. It is dash. The options are contact poison, nerve poison, aphicide or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. So tobacco is the main source of nicotine. It is all the three: contact poison, nerve poison and aphicide. Question number 34. Sticky trap is used to trap the dash. The options are sucking pest, borer pests, shoot feeders or fruit borer. The correct answer is option A, sucking pest. So sticky trap is used to trap the sucking pest. Question number 35. Trap crop for IPM of DBM is dash. The options are tomato, marigold, mustard, cotton. The correct answer is option C, mustard. So trap crop for integrated pest management of diamondback moth is mustard. Question number 36. Clipping of top portion of seedlings reduces the carryover of infestation of dash. The options are stem borer, brown plant hopper, green leaf hopper or rice gandhi bug. The correct answer is option A, stem borer. So clipping of top portion of seedlings reduces the carryover of infestation of stem borer. Question number 37. Solid projection of exoskeleton either internally or externally is known as. The options are apodyne, apophysis, apolysis or spur. The correct answer is option B, apophysis. So solid projection of exoskeleton either internally or externally is known as apophysis. Question number 38. Flooding in the fields will help in control of. The options are white grubs, termites, nematodes, or all of these? The correct answer is option D, all of these. So flooding in the fields will help in the control of all the three: white grubs, termites, and nematodes. Question number 39. The largest area of a transgenic crop in the world is under dash. The options are maize, soybean, cotton, or rice. The correct answer is option B, soybean. So the largest area of a transgenic crop in the world is under soya bean. Question number 40. Indian mole rat is scientifically known as. The options are Rattus rattus, Bandicota bengalensis, Mus musculus, or none of these. The correct answer is option B, Bandicota bengalensis. So Indian mole rat is scientifically known as Bandicota bengalensis. Question number 41. In sprayer, container is called dash, but in duster it is called dash. The options are hopper or tank, tank or hopper, pump or hopper, agitator or tank. The correct answer is option B, tank or hopper. So in sprayer, container is called tank, but in duster it is called hopper. Question number 42. The droppings are spindle shape in. The options are roof rat, Norway rat, mouse, or none of these. The correct answer is option A, roof rat. So the droppings are spindle shape in roof rat. Question number 43. Which of the following refers to zinc phosphide poison? The options are slow poison, anticoagulant, acute poison, or mild poison. The correct answer is option C, acute poison. So, acute poison among the following refers to zinc phosphide poison. Question number 44. Fumigants used for rodents control are. The options are cyanogas, phosphine, both A and B, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B, which is cyanogas and phosphine. So fumigants used for rodents control are cyanogas and phosphine. Question number 45. Which of the following is not an above ground storage structure? The options are gola, khatti, puri, or kothis. The correct answer is option B, khatti. So khatti among the following is not an above ground storage structure, whereas gola, puri, and kothis are the above ground storage structure. Question number 46. Dash sprayer is also known as backpack sprayer. The options are stirrup sprayer, knapsack sprayer, rocking sprayer, foot sprayer. The correct answer is option B, knapsack sprayer. So knapsack sprayer is also known as backpack sprayer. Question number 47. Insecticide which is used as soil application is dash. The options are phorate, carbofuran, chlorpyrifos, or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. So insecticide which is used as soil application are all the three, which is phorate, carbofuran, and chlorpyrifos. Question number 48. Salanin is derived from. The options are tobacco, neem, Derris, or quassia. The correct answer is option B, neem. So salanin is derived from neem. Question number 49. The uppermost layer of insect body is known as. The options are cuticle, integument, skeleton, or none of these. The correct answer is option B, integument. So the uppermost layer of insect body is known as integument. Question number 50. The pheromone is also known as dash. The options are ectohormone, allohormone, chiromone, or none of these. The correct answer is option A, ectohormone. So pheromone is also known as ectohormone. That was all. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.